The body cells in cockroach discharge their nitrogenous waste in hemolymph, mainly in the form of what? Option A, calcium carbonate. Though some organisms excrete calcium carbonate or calcium salts as the excreta, the cockroaches do not excrete calcium carbonate as their primary nitrogenous waste. So option A is incorrect. Option B, ammonia. Ammonia is a common nitrogenous waste in aquatic organisms, but it is highly toxic and requires large amount of water to excrete. And this is inefficient for terrestrial organisms like cockroaches. So option B is incorrect. Option C, potassium urate. This is true. In cockroaches, the nitrogenous waste is primarily excreted in the form of potassium urate. That is, the excretory system of cockroaches, like that of many terrestrial arthropods, is adapted to conserve water. So they excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid, which is insoluble in water, and it is then converted to potassium urate in the hemolymph, and then it is excreted as solid crystals which minimize the water loss. So that means option C is the correct answer. Now coming to option D, urea, it is a primary nitrogenous waste in mammals and amphibians, not cockroaches. So the answer is option C.